The remains of the Mower lumber mill are right downriver of where the boneyard is. I'll put a link in this video as to a video I did about this old lumber mill. Your water running in there. I bet that's asbestos hanging on those pipes. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That water is bubbling up from that pipe there. This might have been a place that supplied water for steam power to power part of the plant. You know, I walked over from where the little play area is, basketball hoop and the pavilion. Walked along the creek, or the Greenbrier River there. I didn't see any signs. Well, there is a sign on the road that leads over to where they do the maintenance on the trains. There's some big boilers in here. I'm not going any further in there. The floor does not look stable. It's that tall building. I'm in the large building here. Interior views you just saw were in this building, next to the largest building at the old Mower lumber plant. You know, it's right next to this building that has the water pouring up. Look at that tree grow right around that pipe. Look at this big stack line here that's fallen. Heating radiator there. You have to go to my drone video and get some different views of this. There's another stack landfill on the top of that building there. Tracks that went in these buildings here. This is the downriver end of the Mower lumber mill.